Hi everybody, it's Craig from MobileTechTalk and we're taking a look at the A90 5G from Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy A90 5G. We're looking at the black version at the moment that's got this. I don't know whether you can see it. Let's see if I can get it on camera. In these gorgeous lights that we've got. Yeah, you can just about see it there. It's got like a two-tone display. It's slightly blacker on the bottom. Not a display, sorry, a back face. It's slightly blacker on the bottom and slightly lighter on the top. And then these quadrants over here. Slightly different material as well, or a different finish. So the reason why the Galaxy A90 5G's taken a little bit of column inches this week since it's been announced is the fact that, well, it's not the fact that it's got a 6.7-inch 1080p AMOLED display, because lots of devices have that. It's not the fact that it comes in 6 gig or 8 gig with 128 gig storage, because guess what? Lots of devices have that. What it is the fact that it's another 5G phone that Samsung are delivering, this time to sort of what they would call the mid-range. It's not that mid-range because it's the best part of £800 or 800 euros. I think it's 750 euros or 750 pounds. I'll annotate, as usual, as you've probably seen in all the videos. I'll have to annotate that, but yeah, it's the fact that they've brought 5G to this sort of device as opposed to just their sort of Galaxy S10 and Note 10 series. And this has also got a 45,000 milliamp hour battery. We're just going to move across to what I think is actually the nicer colour. Just give this one a bit of a clean. There's triple camera setup on the back, 48 megapixel wide main sensor. It's got a 8 megapixel ultra wide with, let me just check, don't know exactly what the degrees is, but it's going to be probably around about 120 to 180, somewhere in between there. And it's got a 5 megapixel depth sensor as well. So for this sort of device, you'd expect it, I would have expected to be around about, oh, that screen is unbelievable though, still got the notch, but very, very nice screen. I would expect this to be around the sort of maybe 550 mark. If it was anybody but Galaxy, let's see if we can get this to stay on a little bit more. If it was anybody but Samsung, I'd agree, and they would probably have priced it at that, but because it's Samsung, they've got to make their margins and got to kind of pay back all that marketing that they've spent on the Note and the 10 line of devices. So you're getting it for nearer sort of 750, but it's still a good device, and it's certainly better than the sort of £1,000 you'll be dropping for their high-end flagships. And you get to have 5G on the devices. So yeah, it's only got the white and the black at the moment here. I think that's all that's available, but the white is sort of a bluey colour. Under these lights it looks a little bit like the P30 Pro, the new colours that have been announced with the two-tone. You can see the two tones here, but also the sort of breathing crystal display. If I can get it to focus in again. So it's just been a quick look at the Galaxy A90 5G. And we're going to go and see if we can get in that queue over there for the Galaxy Fold, which isn't a 5G version. Okay guys, catch you on the next one.